He picked up each envelope in turn, carefully passed his palms along their surfaces, and seemed satisfied. He riffled curiously through a few pages of the Holy Writ and vaguely shook the church Times. All right so far, but one of the objects in McClary's suitcase was puzzling him sorely. Do you mind telling me why have you bought this, sir? He held up a smallish, semi-inflated rubber ring, which such as a young child with a waist of about 12 inches might have struggled into. You thinking of going for a swim, sir? McClary's hitherto amiable demeanour was slightly ruffled by his tasteless little pleasantry, and he answered Jackson somewhat sourly. If ye must know, I suffer from hemorrhoids, and when I'm sitting down for any length of time, very sorry, sir, I didn't mean to err. The embarrassment was still reddening Jackson's cheeks when he found the paper knife at the bottom of the case. I think I would better keep this, though, if you don't mind. This is, sir. It was 9:18 a.m. before the governor heard the voices again, and it was clear that the examination was going to be more than a little late in getting underway. McClary, you've got watch. Evans, yes, sir. McClary, I'll be telling you when to start, and again when you have 5 minutes left. All right, sir. Silence. McClary, there's plenty more of this writing paper should you need it. Silence. Now write the name of the paper 0211 in the top left corner. Silence. In the top right hand corner, write your index number, that is 313, and in the box just below that write your center number 271. All right. So now it was about when he was being frisked, the officer checked that he was carrying a rubber tube, and inside that rubber tube it was just like a swimming tube for children. So he just wanted to be sure that why he was carrying that rubber tube. So he said that I'm actually suffering from piles, and whenever I sit for a long time I need something hard to keep underneath my bottom so that I can sit perfectly. And on top of that, when there was a jackknife inside it, so paper knife, sorry. So he said that I would not give you the paper knife because it might get little risky inside the cell. So what he did, he took the knife away and he kept it along with himself. And after that, when he was made to sit inside, and he instructed Evans about writing the index number, the center number, and the question code number everywhere wherever it was needed. So now we are moving on to the next page.